Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in this video today we're going to be talking about organic traffic versus external traffic and the difference between the two. You see, the beauty with Amazon self-publishing is that Amazon does all the heavy lifting for you, right? I've mentioned this before in earlier videos that they have the customer base, they have all the credit cards on files, they have, as a matter of fact, millions upon millions of credit cards on file, right? Customers come onto their website, they type in operative keywords in the Amazon search engine, and then they hit enter, and then a listing populates of the relevant books or products, right? So for instance, let's say I want the ketogenic diet. Look, it already auto-populates search results, right? So the reason why I'm making this video is to let you know that the organic traffic alone can be more than enough to sustain your self-publishing business, because again, Amazon has done all the heavy lifting. They have the customer base. I'm being conservative here, but you can easily make $10,000 a month from the organic traffic alone from Amazon, right? From the Amazon website. Personally speaking, in December, I didn't do anything special. I just put my books out there, and some of my books were already published years to months ago, and this is last year, December 2018, and I was able to cash out $8,000 in that month alone, and that's not even that high in regards to the earning potential for December. And what did I do? I didn't use any external traffic, right? This was all organic traffic from Amazon, right? Pre-existing traffic that was already on the site. It's just in December, it has an influx of customers on the site looking for products and books to buy, right? For gifts. So I'm going to draw your attention to this page over here. So here's the awesome thing about self-publishing. You don't need any highly technical skills, right? You do not need to be a professional internet marketer. You don't need to be very tech savvy. If you can turn on your computer, you can make money with self-publishing, and that's not an understatement. Like, I'm serious. Like, you don't need to be a professional marketer. Kindle publishing is one of the easiest, if not the easiest, business model there is out there to make money online. It's one of the easiest online businesses to enter to start making money online, and you can start making money as little as 24 to 48 hours, right, upon hitting publish. So, marketing, you don't really need any high technical skills, right? So what is marketing, right? Let's define marketing. Well, marketing is really the capacity or the ability to engineer systems that can drive or promote traffic to your product or service, right? So in the case for Amazon Kindle self-publishing, like I said earlier in this video, all you really need is the organic traffic. All I'm trying to say is you don't need to be a professional marketer, and it's not a requirement to have external traffic. Now, am I saying that you shouldn't use external traffic? No. If as the saying goes, the more the merrier. If you do have external traffic, I would highly recommend you use external traffic, because that's more traffic you're driving to Amazon, and you're going to be driving to your books, and therefore you're going to increase the BSR. So that's books bestseller rank, and therefore if you increase your bestseller rank, that equates to more relevancy on Amazon, and therefore increases your ranking on the Amazon websites, right? On the Amazon website. So of course, if you're driving external traffic, I would suggest you do so, and I would actually suggest you do both. But the point of this video, I'm just trying to and the point I'm trying to drive across is that you do not need external traffic. It's not a requirement starting out, right? Obviously, as you start to look at things long term and just down the road, of course, I would say you want to start developing marketing skills to drive external traffic. But what I'm trying to tell you is that it's not a requirement starting out as a beginner. You can solely depend on the organic traffic alone. As I showed you earlier, Amazon has millions upon millions of customers on file. They have their credit cards on file. They have the customer base. They've done the heavy lifting. And on top of that, they have their own native ad platform, right? Amazon Marketing. So technically, that Amazon Marketing is already pre-existing organic traffic on Amazon. It's just you're using their native ad, which is still internal. It's still on their website, and you can use these native ads to drive more traffic and more relevancy to your books, therefore increasing sales potential and earnings, right? See, that's the thing. So that's the thing with Amazon self-publishing, and that's why it's such a beautiful business model, and it's such a low barrier of entry to start out, right? Again, you don't need any highly technical skills. You don't need to be very tech savvy. If you can turn on your computer, you can make money with self-publishing, right? Because as I'm showing you, the organic traffic alone is more than enough, right? Again, I'm being conservative here. You can easily make 10,000 a month from the organic traffic alone, and obviously you want to be utilizing Amazon marketing services as well, but this is nothing special. You can do it. Again, I made 8,000 in December, right, doing nothing, right? I didn't drive any external traffic whatsoever, right? But I still made 8,000. Why? Because I just put my books on Amazon, and Amazon did all the work for me. That's why I'm so passionate in advocating Kindle publishing as a beginning stepping stone to getting your feet wet in the world of e-commerce, right? In the world of business online. It's definitely one of the greatest, I believe, the greatest opportunity and the easiest way to make money online. So now, before I end the video, I want to talk about the external traffic as well. So now I've talked about the organic traffic, and now you know that Amazon has all the traffic. They have the customers typing in the search queries on the search engine and whatnot to find the relevant book and product depending on the keyword they type into. And as a side note, that's why it's important to know how to use keywords, how to leverage keywords, how to use Amazon marketing, and as well as book cover description, copywriting, etc. So there's certain criteria that must be respected, that you must follow in order to find success with self-publishing. Again, I go into details about that in Passive Income Publishing Academy, link below in the description. But let's talk about the external traffic for a minute. So now I've talked about the organic traffic, but the external traffic it can be extremely helpful, right? I said it's not a requirement because I'm saying as a beginner, you don't necessarily need to know how to market and engineer a system to drive traffic outside of Amazon to your books, right? But the more the merrier. And if you do have external traffic, so you want to do things like create websites, blogs, and then from those websites and blogs you create an audience, right? Really what you're doing with external traffic is you're creating an audience, and you're driving that audience to Amazon, right? And Amazon will reward you, right? They will reward you by making your book more relevant, by promoting your book more often, because guess what? You're driving traffic to their website and you're earning sales outside of Amazon. So they will reward that, and they will put your book at a higher relevancy and promote it more often. So again, organic traffic versus external traffic, that's the difference. Organic traffic pre-exists and exists on the Amazon website. External traffic is outside of Amazon. So that's things like websites, blogs, etc., right? Maybe your Facebook group, etc., things of that nature. So that's the difference between the two. Do you need, is it paramount? Is it is it a requirement? Is it a paramount requirement to have external traffic to make 10,000 a month, or to make a substantial amount of living, a substantial amount on Amazon self-publishing? No, you do not. It's not a requirement. Obviously, I would recommend, if you're solely depending on organic traffic, eventually create an email list, right? You want to create an email list, and therefore you're acquiring the lifetime value of the customer, right? Because when you acquire an email list to the organic traffic, that's not external traffic, it's organic traffic. So all you're doing is acquiring the lifetime value of the customer, right? So don't mistake that between external and organic traffic. Just want to point that out for you. So that's going to be all for this video. Again, if you want to learn my methods and my strategies, which you need to know in finding success, in order to find success with self-publishing with Amazon, I would suggest you check out Passive Income Publishing Academy, link in the description, the best nonfiction course on the market, where I teach you the whole 9 yards. I teach you everything you need to do to become a successful self-publisher using both external and organic traffic and Amazon marketing, copywriting, everything you need to know. Students in my course are finding immense success with it and are very pleased with the content, and I will continue to have successful students as time progresses. And again, you just want to join the movement, join the revolution, join like-minded individuals who are looking to find financial freedom through self-publishing. So thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.